while I gazed at the ink, dancing and flowing gracefully in the water. Taking slow and deliberate breath, I learned the art of letting go, trusting the process and going with the flow. It's interesting how what I discovered in painting aligns closely with my yoga practice. Through yoga, I found the ability to center myself with mindful breathing and explore my personal boundaries, teetering between holding on and letting go while maintaining yoga poses. Both yoga practice and the art of creation have a calming, grounding effect, bestowing physical and mental serenity. As I observed the ink's mesmerizing dance and my gentle breath in this moment, it brought back memories of the COVID lockdown in South Africa. It was during that challenging time that my passion for sharing yoga, breathwork, and the art of creation as powerful tools to support adults and children in their most overwhelming moments became crystal clear. These practices serve as guides to help release stress and emotions, and ultimately to reconnect with oneself and the universe. I am Cindy, a certified yoga therapist and healing art facilitator with 15 years of experience as a yoga instructor for both adults and children, as well as being a Reiki master and an award-winning artist. I specialize in integrative therapy. I employ holistic approaches through yoga, art, breathwork, the meridian system, chakra system, and Reiki to assist individuals in achieving mental, physical, and emotional balance in their lives.